He's pooping while he eats. He's getting. He's stopped. He's learning how to fight. Oh my God, there. That's a baby. We have a nest somewhere in that tree. There's a hummingbird nest in that tree somewhere. Oh my God, he almost stopped. Why there? Look at how careful they are.
I'm taping it.
That is so cool. Watch out for the cat. That's a baby. It's how he's stabilizing and pumping himself, but he's pooping at the same time too. Stop. He is so dinky. Taking a break. He got energy, so now he can take a break. Look at that. Checking things out. Remembering. Taking notes of things he's remembering. Look at his beak. It looks like a needle. He's getting
You got 5 seconds to get us out of here.
Oh shit! You put us in here, you can get us out of here!
This buddy, I pissed dirty at a burger. Fuck off. Pill popping fucking
Dear.
alcohol.
I'm recording. I don't want that on there.
Are you kidding me? He kidnapped me in the middle of the night!
We don't even know what's in those syringes. You willing to stick yourself in the arm to find out?
Yeah.